Alright guys, so to start off I am going to be using this e.l.f. blush contour highlight palette. I am picking up this nice pink shade and will apply that right onto my cheeks area. You want to have that nice glow to start. I have already prepared my skin. I have applied my foundation. If you want to know the details for the prep, please let me know in the comments down below and I will gladly respond to you with all the details. My eyes, I'm going to be using this Your Shades palette by Beauty Glaze. This palette, guys, is so affordable and the pigments are insane. You can see I'm just using a very nice fluffy brush and applying that shade all over. I'm doing like circular motions, and as you go you can add more, but that depends on what you like and how accentuate you want to have that. I'm just gonna add a little bit more here. Alright, move on to the next color. I am picking up this very light brown shimmery shade and I will go right onto the eyelid area. You don't want to go too high, so just make sure it's a little bit more precise than the first shade that we applied. Okay, and then I pick up this bright orange shade and I have started applying that in the outer corner of my eyes, moving into the inner corner of my eyes without pressing too much. You really want to go with a light hand for that shade. Okay, next we are taking these two shades together, this dark purple and that dark fuchsia color, and both combined will give you a beautiful color that you can apply in the outer corner, and it will really accentuate that look. Using the same brush, or you can pick up a new clean brush, you can just keep blending that out. You don't want to have like harsh color in the outer corner of your eyes, so you want to make sure it's seamless, so blend. I am now picking up this yellow and orange together, and I'm just gonna extend that outer corner even more. And then you want to pick the lightest shade on the palette, and that will go right underneath the eyebrow line, just to kind of have everything clean and nicely done. Next we're mixing the purple and that rose blush color together, and that will go right underneath the waterline, extending all the way to the outer corner of your eye. We are almost done with the eyeshadow part. I'm just picking up this teal color and applying that in the middle of my waterline, and I am extending it very slightly towards the outer corner, just like here. And now that same teal color will be applied, you see, in the outer corner, but very slightly. Don't press too much, don't add a lot of color. It has to be blended with all the other ones around, So you want to go very, very light-handed on that one as well. Here I am just blending one more time just to make sure that everything is kind of blend together. So I just wanted to add more of the blush, and I'm just using here the Maybelline Master Contour because that blush has some more highlight into it already. So I'm just applying that a little bit more. Using here the Kat Von D Alchemist holographic palette. The shade I am using from this palette is the Ultra Violet Amethyst. I also went ahead and applied that same shade on the tip of my nose and right underneath my eyebrow line, just to give that very nice glow finish to this look. Here I am using just a simple black pencil, applying that on my waterline as well as my lash line. I am not going to apply any forces for this look, and I didn't do a wing liner either. I just wanted to keep it simple and easy to recreate for you guys. And my battery died, so I didn't film the mascara step, but I used the Telescopic from L'Oreal. And here I am just about to apply my lip liner first. I've been using this lip liner for so long. It's a set from Amazon. It's in all my videos, but I just love them and they're so affordable. For lipstick, I'm going in with this Huda Beauty nude shade that I absolutely love for daytime or nighttime. And I'm gonna pick up that same highlight from the Kat Von D palette right here that I used earlier, and I'm gonna slightly apply that shade on my lips. I was feeling this look, so you know, I was just like really feeling it, you can tell. And we are done, guys. This is the final look. I just went ahead and applied some, you know, the gold tattoos. Those are just temporary tattoos, of course, and I added some jewelry and accessories, and that was it. I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. If you did, please don't forget to comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have so many more makeup look, hair tutorial coming up. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys soon. Stay safe and take care. Bye.